Yeah, good evening, children. Yeah, let's discuss this word problem first. Maybe these two word problems, and then we'll solve this equation. So here, Rashmi decided to spend rupees 600. What are you writing? Yeah, Rashmi decided to spend rupees 600 for distribution of books to poor students. Okay, so she wants to spend 600 rupees, but she has only 320 rupees. Okay, she wants to spend 600 rupees for distributing books to poor students. But how much does she have with her at the moment? She has only 320 rupees. Now she can earn 40 rupees an hour in typing jobs. So the remaining money, she does not want to ask her parents. She doesn't want to borrow from somebody else. Okay. So she wants to earn the remaining money. What is the difference? What is 600 minus 320? 280. That 280 rupees, no, she wants to earn. She can earn rupees 40 an hour in typing jobs. She can earn 40 an hour in typing jobs. So now we understand. So how many hours she has to work to how many hours has she to work to earn 280 rupees? 7 hours. 40 into 7, 280. So 280 and 320 will make 600. Okay. But we're not supposed to answer the question like that. Look at the instructions. Set up the equation showing this relationship. Okay, so here we calculated, the number of hours she has to work. You're not supposed to do that because that's not the question. The question is not how many hours she has to work to earn, that difference in money. That's not the question. The question is set up an equation showing this relationship. Okay, so here what you'll have to say is let the number of hours Rashmi has to work be X. Okay, let's say Rashmi has to work for X hours to earn 280 rupees. Okay, let the number of hours Rashmi has to work be X hours. Okay, so what will be the equation? She has how much? 320. Now, if she works for 1 hour, she'll get 40 rupees. For 2 hours, see, 1 hour she'll get 40 rupees. That is 40 into 1. 2 hours, 40 into 2. 3 hours, 40 into 3. Uh, 4 hours, 40 into 4. So for X hours, 40 into X. Working for an hour, she'll get 40 into 1. 40 rupees into 1 hour. 2 hours, 40 rupees into 2 hours, 80 rupees. 3 hours, 40 into 3. 4 hours, 40 into 4. So X hours, 40 into X. So this money which she has plus what she will be earning by working for X hours, that is 40X. These two put together is equal to 600 is the equation. She needs in all, she needs in all 600 rupees. So that's divided into two parts. One is what she already has and one is what she has to earn. Okay, so working for X hours, she'll be earning 40X rupees. So 40X, what she'll be earning plus what she has, 320, the total will be equal to 600. Okay, that's the equation. Yes, sir. Now ask me. Yeah, correct. Yes, you can also write 40x. Yeah, you can also write 40x plus 320 is equal to 600. You can also write that. That's the equation. All right. Okay, so the first part we've answered. Set up the equation showing this relationship. Okay. Now, how many hours must Rashmi work to have the money she needs? So for that, you'll have to solve this equation. For that, you'll have to solve this equation. So this is for A. Now for B, you'll have to solve this equation. So 40x plus 320 is equal to 600. What do you need to transpose first? 600? minus 320. Okay, then 40x is equal to 280. X is equal to 280 divided by 40. So 0, 0, then 7 times. X is equal to 7. So she has to work for 7 hours. Okay. So how many hours? 7 hours. Rashmi has to work for 7 hours. Okay. Now what value is being depicted by Rashmi? So what do you understand about Rashmi through this information? She's very kind. She's hardworking. She's independent. She's empathetic. She has empathy for the poor and needy. So you can use these terms and constructor. You can just write the words also. You don't have to make a sentence. You can just write values depicted, put a colon and write empathy. What did you mention? Independent. Independent, kind. Okay. I'll just write it here. Values depicted. And you can say, like what Ovia said, independent, empathetic, right below, empathetic, shown. Shown. Depicted means shown. Done? Shall we go to the next one? Okay. The perimeter of a rectangle is 40 meters. The length of the rectangle is 4 meters less than 5 times its breadth. The length of the rectangle is 4 meters less than 5 times its breadth. Find the length of the rectangle. So we need to find the length of the rectangle. So we'll say, let the length of the rectangle be L or X. Okay. Okay. Let the length of the rectangle be X centimeters, meters. Okay. X meters. Now what is given? The length of the rectangle is, the length is, sorry, I didn't notice. Okay, let's give. We can also do this, but yeah. The length of the rectangle is 4 meters less than 5 times its breadth. So the length is, expressed with respect to the breadth. So we'll call the breadth as X. Let the breadth be X. Let the breadth of the rectangle be X meters. So now see, we'll just, as we read, we're going to make the expression for length. See here, the length of the rectangle. Okay, so length of the rectangle meaning L, length of the rectangle, length is means equal to, right? I'm just reading from here. The length of the rectangle is means equal to, is 4 meters less than, 4 meters less than. What have we understood? Whatever comes after less than and more than, we should write that first. Whatever comes after less than, more than, write that first. 4 meters less than, what comes after than? 5 times its breadth. What is 5 times? 5 into, what's the breadth? X. 5 times breadth means, see, 5 times its breadth is 5x. Okay. and 4 meters less means -4. Now, which one first? Whatever comes after more than less than. See, if it was 4 meters more than, then it will be +4. 4 meters more than, then it's +4. This is 4 meters less than, so it's -4. Now, which one to write first? Whatever comes after less than, more than, that should be written first, because that's the meaning actually. Okay. So 4 meters less than 5 times its breadth. So write 5x and then -4. This is the expression for length. Yeah, you can ask me if you have any doubt. Any questions? Okay. Ovia, you got it right?
Yes.
Show me. Correct. All right, now what's given? The perimeter is 40 meters. Okay. So perimeter is equal to 40 meters. And what's the formula to find the perimeter? 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B is equal to 40. That's a formula to find the perimeter of a rectangle. So perimeter is equal to 40. In other words, 2 into L plus B is equal to 40. So now 2 into, what's the expression for length? 5x minus 4 plus B. B is x, right? Is equal to 40. We're just replacing L and B. L with 5x minus 4 and B with x is equal to 40. Now simplify the bracket first. So 5x plus x, inside the bracket, 5x plus x, 6x minus 4 is equal to 40. Now we have two options. You can multiply like this and open the bracket, but you can also take 2 to the other side. You can also transpose 2 without multiplying. You can do two things. You can, the best thing is to take 2 to the other side for division. Transpose 2. We'll do that. But what's the other thing we can do? We can also open the bracket, which is not needed, but you can also open the bracket by multiplying 2 with 6x and 2 with -4. Okay, that way also you can solve it. That's not wrong. Okay. So we're going to take 2 to the other side. So it will be 6x minus 4 is equal to 40 divided by 2, correct? So 2 ones are 20 times. So 6x is equal to, now we'll have to take -4 to the other side. So it will become 20 plus 4. So 6x is equal to 24. X is equal to 24 divided by 6. X is equal to 4. Okay, so the length of the rectangle is 4 meters. Yeah.
Can you do the other way also?
Yes, we can. Yeah, I'll do the same. Yes, I'll do that. Yeah. What is x? The breadth of the rectangle, right? Therefore, breadth is equal to 4 meters. So what's the length? Length is equal to 5x minus 4. So 5 into x, that is 4, minus 4. So 20 minus 4, which is 16 meters. We found x, right? Whose x? The breadth of the rectangle. But we are asked to find the length of the rectangle. What's the length? 5x minus 4. 5x means 5 into x. So 5 into 4, 20 minus 4, 60. Right. Children? All right. Yeah. Okay. So what's that? 2 into 6x minus 4 is equal to 40. 2 into 6x minus 4 is equal to 40. So what if we open the bracket? What if we multiply 2 with the terms inside the bracket? Then we'll have 12x is minus 8 is equal to 40, correct? Okay, so 12x minus 8 is equal to 40. So 12x is equal to 40 minus 8 on the other side plus 8. So 12x is equal to 48. X is equal to 48 by 12. X is equal to 4. So here also X is 4. So we cannot go wrong. It's not, both are right. But it's just that you don't have to open the bracket. You can just take 2 to the other side for division. All right? Okay. That's solving equation, because I want to discuss more word problems. We'll just do that in tomorrow's class. Oh, we've already worked this question like that, is it?
No, ma'am. First one you need to explain.
One
What
minute.
you explain later.
Let's finish it. Okay. Yeah. I'm going to work it. All right. So 7y minus 1 by 4 minus, we'll multiply 1 by 3 with the terms inside the bracket. We'll multiply 1 by 3 with the terms inside the bracket. So it'll be 1 by 3 into 2y. 1 by 3 into 2y. All right. So what is that? 2y by 3. Correct? 2y by 3. Yes or no? Okay. So 2y by 3. Then we need to multiply. What's the next term in the bracket? How many terms do we have in the bracket? 2y and 1 minus y by 2. Excuse me. In the bracket, we have two terms. The first term being 2y and the second term being 1 minus y by 2. So two terms we have in the bracket, and we need to multiply the two terms in the bracket with 1 by 3, which is outside. Okay. So first 1 by 3, to be very specific, is minus 1 by 3 into 2y. So minus into plus, there's a plus sign here. See, it's minus 1 by 3 into 2y. What's the sign before 2y? In the bracket, plus. Before 2y in the bracket, it's a plus. Okay, so minus into plus minus, and 1 into 2y, 2y by 3. That's the first product. The second product, this into this. Okay, so it's minus 1 by 3 into minus 1 minus y by 2. So multiply the signs, minus into minus plus, correct? And then multiply the numerators. How do we multiply fractions? Multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators. So 1 into 1 minus y. It's the same thing. 1 into anything is the same thing, right? So 1 into 1 minus y is 1 minus y. First, write the sign minus into minus plus. Then multiply the numerators. 1 into 1 minus y is 1 minus y divided by 3 into 2, 6. Correct? Is equal to 10 by 2. Simple, right? Yeah. Now, what's the denominator? What are the denominators in the LHS and RHS? 3, 4, and 6. Okay. So LCM of 3, 4, and 6 is 12. I think after this you can continue, right? Or if you want to do it by yourself. Very good. Yeah. Okay, so till here is it clear, children? Okay. Now multiply every term on the left hand side and right hand side by the LCM 12. So it will be 12 into 7y minus 1 by 4 minus 12 into 2y by 3 plus 12 into 1 minus y by 6 is equal to 12 into 10 by 3. All right. Now 4 ones are 4, 3s are. So what is this going to be the next step? It will be 3 into 7y minus 1. All right. Here, 3 ones are 3 fours are. So what will this be in the next step? It will be minus 4 into 2y. Or you can directly write the product. What is 4 into 2y? 8y. You can directly write the product. You can write 8y straight away. Okay. Now here, 6 ones are 6 twos are. So what is this going to be the next step? Plus 2 open bracket 1 minus y close bracket is equal to 3 ones are 3 fours are. So 4 into 10, 40. Now, if you have any questions here, please ask me now. Okay, so what will be the next step? Do you want to continue by yourself after this? Okay. Yeah, please, yeah. Finish when that's me. Yeah, so next step, 3 into 7y, 21y, 3 into minus 1, minus 3, minus 8y as it is, plus 2 into 1, plus 2, plus 2 into minus y, minus 2y is equal to 40. Yeah. What should I clarify here in this step? Is this correct? All of you have got the same thing?
Yes.
Okay. Next, we will not transpose. We'll simplify the terms on the left-hand side before we transpose. So we have how many y terms? 21y minus 8y minus 2y. So let's simplify the y terms. 21y minus 8y minus 2y. So what is 21y minus 8? Okay, what's minus 8 minus 2? Minus 8 minus 2 minus 10. And what is 21 minus 10? 11. 11. 11y. It's just like simplifying the numbers and then put a y after the answer. Okay. Okay. So you all understand it's 11y. Minus 8 minus 2 is minus 10 and 21 minus 10 is 11. 11y. And the numbers minus 3 plus 2. Minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1 is equal to 40. Right? So we have 11y is equal to 40 plus 1. Y is equal to 41 by 11. Correct? Yeah. Finish it.
The answer should be converted into decimals.
No, decimal not needed. Here we have a mixed fraction of the question, 10 by 3. So you can also leave the answer as 41 by 11. But it's not wrong to put it as a mixed fraction. In the question itself, we have an improper fraction. So you can also leave it like this, 41 by 11. As a mixed fraction, it would be 11 3s are 33, 8 by 11. 3 8 by 11. Ali? Okay. Okay. Yeah. A number consists of two digits. Don't write anything. We'll just discuss a set of at least about 5 to 6 sums, and then you can work everything at a stretch. We'll first discuss, and then you can write. A number consists of two digits. Okay. A number has two digits. It's a two-digit number. Okay. Whose sum is 8. So the number can be 17 because the sum of the digits is 8, or the number can be 26. 2 plus 6, 8, or the number can be 35. The number can be 44. It can be 53, 62. Then 71. So it has to be one of these numbers because it's a two-digit number and the sum of the digits is 8. A number consists of two digits whose sum is 8. The sum of the digits, one digit plus the 10th digit, the sum of the digits is 8. Okay. So it can be 17, 26, 35, 44, 53, 62, or 71. Can be 80. Maybe. But then here the question talks about if the digits are reversed. If the digits are reversed, it will not be a two-digit number. Anyways, now without reading any information further, it can be 80. Without reading anything further, if you have to, list out the numbers where the sum of the digits is 8. Tell me all the numbers, all the two-digit numbers where the sum of the digits is 8. Then you can list all these numbers. Yes or no? In all these numbers, the sum of the two digits is 8. Okay, fine. Go back to the question. A number consists of two digits whose sum is 8. If 18 is added to the number, its digits are reversed. Find the number. Okay. See here. Let the digit in the ones place or the units place. Okay. Let the digit in the units place be x. Now, units place digit plus tens place digit is equal to how much, children? 8. Now this is x, no? X plus tens place digit is equal to 8. So what's a digit in the tens place? So tens place digit is equal to 8 minus x. Do we understand? If the digit in the units place is x, then the digit in the tens place will be 8 minus x. Now don't get confused. There should be only one digit, but there is 8 minus x. How tens digit can be 8 minus x? It's an expression. You will understand once we completely solve, you will be able to relate. Okay. So let the digit in the units place be x. So the digit in the tens place is 8 minus x. So how did we find 8 minus x? Because ones place plus tens place is equal to 8. Ones place plus tens place is equal to 8. Ones place we've called it as x. Plus tens place we don't know is equal to 8. So the digit in the tens place will be 8 minus x. X will go to the other side as minus x. Okay, so 8 minus x. There's only the assumption part. Okay, we still have to work. Now let's find the two-digit number. Now see here, it's like I tell you, the tens digit is 7, and the ones digit is 2. What's the number? 72, right? If the digit in the tens place is 7 and ones place is 2, then the number is 72. So like that, here we have the digit in the tens and ones place. How do we frame the expression for the number? So see here, go down to your fourth standard, third standard, fourth standard, where we write a number in the expanded form. Okay, so now supposing you had this number 579. How do you write this number in the expanded form? Hundreds, tens, ones. So 5 into 100 plus 7 into 10 plus 9 into 1. Do you remember this? Okay, so 5 into 100 plus 7 into 10 plus 9 into 1. Correct? So it is the digit into the respective place value. So now this will give you the numbers because 5 into 100 is 500 plus 7 into 10 is 70 plus 9 into 1 is 9. So 500. 500 plus 70 plus 9 is 579. Correct? Okay. So using this, logic, we'll frame the number, frame the expression for the number. Therefore, the two-digit number is what is in the tens place? 8 minus x. 10 into 8 minus x plus what is in the ones place? X. 1 into x. Because see here, it will be like this. It will be like this. Ones place and tens place. Ones are units as you call it. Okay. So ones place is x and the tens place is 8 minus x. Correct? So what's the number? 8 minus x into 10 plus x into 1. Multiply the digit with the respective place value. The digit is 8 minus x into 10. That's what I've written here. 10 into 8 minus x plus x into 1. X into 1, which is 1 into x here. I've written the place value and then the digit. You'll have to multiply the place value and the digit in that place value. Okay. So now this gives us 10 into 8 is 80 minus 10x plus x, which is 80 minus 9x. So 80 minus 9x is the two-digit number, is the expression for the two-digit number. Now, if 18 is added to the number, the digits are reversed. Okay, so now see the table. Now, when the digits are reversed, when the digits are reversed, it will be like this, right? Ones, tens. What's the digit here? 8 minus x in the tens place. So that will come here, 8 minus x. And x will come here, right? So when the digits are reversed, the new number is what? 10 into x plus 1 into 8 minus x. Correct? 10 into x plus 1 into 8 minus x. So that'll be 10x plus 1 into 8 minus x is the same thing. 1 into anything is the same thing. So 8 minus x. So this will be 10x minus x, 9x plus 8. Now frame the equation. So till here is the assumption part. Whenever you read a question about a two-digit number, you'll have to assume the digit in the ones place and find the digit in the tens place, or assume the digit in the tens place and find the digit in the units place. Like if you assume the tens digit as x, you should find the ones digit in terms of x. Like see here we called what as x, units place as x, and we found the tens place in terms of x, 8 minus x, like that. So that's the first step. To assume the digit in one place and find the digit in the other place in terms of that variable you've used. Okay, then after that, you should construct the expression for the two-digit number. This is the expression for the two-digit number. Now in the question, we see that the digits are reversed. You can see these three words, the digits are reversed. So you should continue with this assumption process. Okay, so you should find the expression for the new number. What's the new number? That is when the digits are reversed. See, if the number is 28, when the digits are reversed, it's 82. So when the digits are reversed, what happens? The place value will, see, you cannot interchange the place value. Place value will not be like this, ones and tens. We can't change mathematics. You cannot put the ones place here and the tens place here. The digits interchange. See, ones and tens here. But what was in the ones place earlier, x, that now comes to the tens place. What was in the tens place earlier, 8 minus x, that comes to the ones place. So now when the digits are reversed, what's the new number? 10 into x plus 1 into 8 minus x. So open the bracket and this is what we have. Now in the question, if 18 is added to the number, see, if 18 is added to the number, the digits are reversed. Let me write that. Okay. If 18 is added to the number, the digits are reversed. Okay, so if 18 is added to the number, what's the expression for the number? 80 minus 9x. 80 minus 9x is the number. If you add 18 to this, 80 minus 9x is the number. If you add 18 to this, the answer you get, in the answer, the digits are reversed. That means it becomes a new number, 9x plus 8. See, just consider this example, 24 and 42. Okay, what should be added to 24 so that you get 42? 80. Now, when you take these two numbers, 24 and 42, okay, see, if the original number is 24, when you add 18 to this number, what happens? The sum is 42. So the digits are reversed. 2, 4 becomes 4, 2. Okay. If the number is 24 and you add 18 to it, what happens? The new number is 42. 24 plus 18 is 42. The digits are reversed. So how do you write that as an equation to the original number 24? If I add 18, I get the new number. That is, the digits are reversed. Digits are reversed meaning the answer is a new number 42. Original number plus original number plus 18 is equal to new number. So original number, the expression for the original number is 80 minus 9x. When you add 18 to this original number, the sum you get, there the digits are reversed. That means you get the new number, which is 9x plus 8. Okay. Now, minus 9x, 80 plus 18 is 98, is equal to 9x plus 8. Now, we'll have to have the x terms on one side. So, minus 9x and plus 9x from the left-hand side comes to the right-hand side. Sorry, plus 9x from the right-hand side comes to the left-hand side. So, minus 9x is equal to 8 minus 98. So, minus 18x is equal to minus 90. Sorry?
Minus cancel.
Yeah. Minus on either sides gets cancelled. So we have x is equal to 90 by x is equal to 90 divided by 18. X is equal to 5. X is 5. But what's the question? Find the number. What's the number? 80 minus 9x is the number. Therefore, the number is 80 minus 9x, which is 80 minus 9 into 5. 9x. So 9 into 5. So that is 80 minus 45, which is 80 minus 45, 35. 35. So the number is 35. So see, the number is 35. So what is the sum of the digits? 5 plus 3, 8. And when you add 18 to this, what's the sum? 13, 1 carried over, 53. See? 35 plus 18 is equal to 53. That's the equation we constructed here. See here, this is only the 35. This is the original number 35. To the original number 35, when you add 18, you get what? 53. You get 53. That is this new number, 9x plus 8. See, in the answer here, the 35, this is 35. This is the expression that represents 35. And here, this is the expression that represents 53. This is the expression for the original number. This is 35. This is the expression for the new number. This is 53. So you can see here, this is the expression for 35. So 35 plus 18 is equal to 53. That's the equation. All right. We'll do it again. We'll do it again.
Yes.
Yeah. So how do you start? Let the ones digit units or ones, whatever you do. Okay. Let the ones digit be x. So now ones digit plus tens digit is equal to 8. Now ones digit is x. X plus tens digit is equal to 8. So the tens digit is equal to 8 minus x. So let's make this table ones tens table. Okay, ones tens. Ones is x, tens 8 minus x. Okay. So therefore, the original number, the number or the original number. Okay. So the number is equal to 10 into 8 minus x plus 1 into x. Now multiply 10 into 8, 80. 10 into minus x, minus 10x plus x. 1 into anything is the same thing. Now minus 10x plus 6. You're going to write x, children. What are the numbers? Minus 10 plus 1. X means plus x means plus 1x. Minus 10 plus 1 is minus 9. So minus 9x. Okay. So 80 minus 9x. Now the digits are reversed. Okay. When the digits are reversed, how does the table look? Looks like this. 8 minus x comes here, x comes here. Okay. So when the digits are reversed, the new number is equal to 10 into x plus 1 into 8 minus x. So 10 into x is 10x plus 1 into anything is the same thing. So like this. Now simplify the x terms. 10x minus x is 9x plus 8. So we have the expression for the ones digit, tens digit, original number, new number. You should have all this. Now let's construct the equation. We haven't still constructed the equation. We've been only assuming let the ones digit be x, and then we found the tens digit in terms of x, 8 minus x. Then we found the expression for the original number, and now the expression for the new number. Okay. Now the equation. If 18 is added to the number, if 18 is added to the number, the digits are reversed. The digits are reversed. All right. So what is the 18 is added to what? The original number. What's the original number? 80 minus 9x. Okay. So to 80 minus 9x, what are you adding? You're adding 18. And what do you get? The digits are reversed. That means you're getting the new number as the answer. So is equal to the new number, 9x plus 8. So we'll have to solve this. First, 80 plus 18, 98 minus 9x is equal to 9x plus 8. Minus 9x, which is already here. This plus 9x goes to the left-hand side as minus 9x is equal to 8 is already on the right-hand side. 98 travels as minus 98. So minus 18x is equal to minus 90. Minus on either sides you can cancel. X is equal to 90 by 18, which is 5. Now the question is to find the number, the original number. Therefore, the number is equal to 80 minus 9x, which is 80 minus 9 into 5, which is 80 minus 45, which is 35. So the number is 35. All right? Okay. The total cost of 3 tables and 2 chairs is 1,850. If a table costs 75 rupees more than a chair, find the price of each. So what is that information we have in this question? We have the total cost. So you go to a shop, you want to buy 3 tables and 2 chairs. Okay. You go to a shop, you want to buy 3 tables and 2 chairs. And the total cost of 3 tables and 2 chairs is 1,850. And what you notice there, you notice that the cost of a table costs 75 rupees more than a chair. That's what you observe. Whatever is the price of the chair, no? The price of the table is 75 more than that. A table costs 75 rupees more than a chair. If chair is 100, table is 175. If chair is 200, table is 275. A table costs 75 rupees more than a chair. If chair is 1,000, table is 1,075 rupees. So if chair is X, table is X plus 75. Which is costlier, table or chair? Table is costlier. By how much? By 75 rupees. So if you call the if you assume the cost of a chair as X, the cost of the table will be X plus 75. 75 rupees more. So X plus 75. Correct? Okay. So don't write, let the cost. Now, supposing you want to assume the cost of a table, then you must say, okay, so if the under the same circumstances, if the cost of a table is 200, what will be the cost of a chair? 200 minus 75. The cost of the table is 200. Chair will be 200 minus 75. So if you take the cost of the table as X, then chair will be X minus 75. Anything you can take the cost of a chair as X or table as X. Anybody can be assigned X. But whether it is plus 75 or minus 75, you should decide. Okay. So since table cost is more than chair, if you assume chair as X, then table is costlier, no? So X plus 75. But if you assume table as X, chair is relatively cheaper. So it will be whatever is the cost of this is arrow. If you take the table's cost as X, then chair will be whatever is the cost of the table minus 75. Okay. Not 75 minus X. If I say the table is 500 rupees, so in your mind you'll do, okay, 500 minus 75. 425 is the cost of the chair. Correct? So let the cost of a chair be rupees X. Therefore, cost of a table is equal to rupees X plus 75. X plus 75, put rupees before that. See, X plus 75 rupees. Okay. Now, what will be the cost of 3 tables? Cost of 3 tables will be 3 into X plus 75. What will be the cost of 2 chairs? Cost of 2 chairs. Cost of 2 chairs will be 2 into X. So what is this? 3 into X is 3X. And 3 into 75 is 225. And here it is 2X. Okay, you can put a bracket and rupees and all that. So you can put a bracket, you can just rupees here, rupees you can put here. Just give some space. Don't get confused, rupees and poon. See, rupees, cost of 3 tables will be rupees. Okay, rupees 3 into X plus 75. So that will be rupees. See, and the rupees போடுறதுனால உங்களுக்கு கன்ஃபியூஸ் ஆனா போட வேண்டாம். Rupees போடுறதுனால நமக்கு bracketலாம் போட because till you get used to. Once you get used to it, நீங்களே போட்டுருவீங்க. அந்த ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா உங்களுக்கு rupees எங்க போடணும்னு வந்துரும். Okay, for now I'll just, it's not difficult, but let's just do it without the rupees symbol. Okay, 3 tables will be 3 into X plus 75. So 3 into X, 3X plus 3 into 75, 225. 2 chairs, 2 into X. So 2X. Now, total cost is 1850. That is, total cost is equal to 1850. That means what? Cost of 3 tables plus cost of 2 chairs is equal to 1850. Okay. So what's the cost of 3 tables? 3X plus 225. 2 chairs எவ்வளோ? 2X. இது ரெண்டுத்தையும் சேர்த்தா எவ்வளோ? 1850. Correct? Yeah. Now this is an equation. You'll have to solve and find the value of X. And what is X? The cost of a chair. What will be the cost of the table? X plus 75. Suppose you get 200, 200 plus 70. Okay, let's solve this.
So 5x plus
Yeah. Shall I? I'll put here this. Tell me. 5x
plus 25.
Is equal to 1850. Yeah, next.
5x is equal to 1850 minus 225.
So 5x is equal to Hmm.
1,670.
So it's 5 to this becomes 6 and 1. 1625, correct?
615.
இல்லம்மா 50 minus 25, 25 தானே. One 625 divided by 5. Tell me this quotient.
5.
3, 2, 5. Correct? Okay. Yeah. So therefore, cost of a chair is equal to rupees 325. And cost of or table is equal to 325 plus 75, which is rupees 400. 400. Okay. Yeah, we'll do this one. Two complementary angles differ by 8 degrees. Find the angles. What are complementary angles? Yeah. If the sum of two angles is 90 degrees, if the sum of two angles only, not 3, not 4, not 5. Okay. If the sum of two angles is 90 degrees, then the two angles are said to be complementary angles. One angle is said to be the complement of the other. Let's just take an example now. 30 degrees and 60 degrees are complementary angles. 30 degrees and 60 degrees are complementary angles. Why? Because 30 degrees plus 60 degrees is equal to 90 degrees. Okay, so we say 30 degrees and 60 degrees are complement angles. 30 degrees and 60 degrees are complementary angles. Okay, also 30 degrees is the complement of 60 degrees. 60 degrees is the complement of 30 degrees. 0 degrees is the complement of 90 degrees, and 90 degrees is the complement of 0 degrees. 1 degree is the complement of 89 degrees. 89 degrees is the complement of 1 degree. Yeah. So two complementary angles differ by 8 degrees. So how do we assume? Let one angle be x degrees. Therefore, its complement will be, they differ, no? They differ means what? 8 less or 8 more? We don't know. It can be 8 less or 8 more also. They differ by 8 degrees, right? See, now supposing two friends, their ages differ by 8. Okay, so if this person is 20, their ages differ by 8. Okay, so if this person is 20, okay, I tell you, I give you the situation. There are two friends. Their ages differ by 8. The age of one friend is 20. What's the age of the other friend? Can be 28 also, no? Can be 28 also. Two friends, their ages differ by 8 years. The age of one friend is 20 years. What is the age of the other friend? We can't say for sure. It can be the other friend. If he's younger, he'll be 12 years old. If he's elder, he'll be 28 years old. In the same way here, the complementary angles, they differ by 8 degrees. So if x is the smaller angle, then the greater angle will be x plus 8 degrees. But if x is the greater angle, then the smaller angle will be x minus 8 degrees. Both assumptions may look different from one another, but the final answer you get will be the same. You can do it both the ways. Okay. You can also do let one angle be x degrees. Therefore, its complement is equal to x minus 8 degrees. Do you understand the assumption? Just take an example, like what I told you now. Okay, so if the angle is if the smaller angle if the smaller angle is x degrees, then its complement will be greater, right? So it will be x plus 8. Or this, if this one angle is the greater one, then the smaller angle will be x minus 8. They differ by 8, so it can be plus 8 or minus 8. It can be one angle plus 8 or it can be one angle minus 8 because they differ by 8. So this is about the assumption. Now the equation. Okay. So the sum of the angles will be 90 degrees because they're complementary angles. Okay. So x plus 8 is equal to 90. Because one angle plus the other angle is equal to 90 degrees. No, because they're complementary angles. One angle plus other angle. One angle plus other angle is equal to 90 degrees because they're complementary angles. So x plus 8 is equal to 90. X plus x is 2x plus 8 is equal to 90. Plus 8 to the other side, minus 8. 90 minus 8. So 2x is equal to 82. So x is equal to 82 by 2, which is 41. So therefore, one angle is equal to so one angle is equal to 41 degrees. Other angle is equal to 41 plus 8. 41 plus 8, which is 49 degrees. Correct? Correct? Now here, one angle plus other angle is equal to 90 degrees. X plus x minus 8 is equal to 90. So x plus x is 2x. Minus 8 is equal to 90. So 2x is equal to 90 plus 8. So 2x is equal to 98. X is equal to 98 divided by 2 will be 49. One angle is 40. Therefore, one angle is equal to 49 degrees. Other angle is equal to 49 minus 8 because x minus 8. X is 49. So 49 minus 8, which is 41 degrees. Okay.